Hey all, welcome to Sparklebox. Are you curious to learn robotics or want to try some new science experiments? Then you must definitely visit our website mysparklebox.com. Math, science, robotics, arts and craft and many more interesting kits. Quickly visit our website and grab some interesting kits for your kids. Today, let's make some interesting DIY hand-printed owls. The materials required are A4 sheets, paintbrush, painting colors, sketch pens, scissors and a Fevicol. Take an A4 sheet and apply purple color on your hand and trace it on the sheet. Favorite colors, apply them on your hands and trace them on the sheet. Origami sheets and cut them in U-shaped structure as shown. Let's make the owl's legs. On an A4 sheet, let's draw circles and cut them. On the owl to make its eyes. Legs are done, eyes are done. What is left? Its nose. Let's make the nose of the owl. amazing DIYs. I'll be back with another